Ublock Origin is facing limitation, especially in Chromium-based browser. But there is still a working and simple solution you can use inside Opera GX browser. So in this quick video, let me show you how to set up Opera GX browser and how to set up Ublock Origin quickly for effective ad blocking. There are two simple methods to download Opera GX into your PC. Open up any browser and type download Opera GX. Make sure you're going to the correct site that says opera.com, and here you could just go ahead and download Opera GX. The second quick method to download Opera GX is just open up Microsoft Store into your computer and type here Opera GX. Now here you see I got the Opera GX browser and it's showing free. Then just go ahead, install or download it into your computer. Once you have downloaded and installed Opera GX in your PC, open up another tab and type here Ublock Origin. Here you see the first link ublockorigin.com. Just go to this official link and here you see that Ublock Origin is available for Opera GX browser. Now here go ahead and click on Add to Opera. This will take few seconds to install Ublock Origin smoothly into your Opera GX browser. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and pin Ublock Origin in our Opera GX extension bar. Now in the next quick step, let's go to Settings and here open up the left bar and we want to navigate to Privacy and Security. Here we want to make sure that we have disabled Opera default ad blocker and tracker blocker, because if we enable default Opera ad blocker and the Ublock Origin, that will make a conflict and you will not get the good results. Now in the next quick step, we want to go to extension page where we will see Opera ad blocker and the Ublock Origin that we just have installed. Just make sure only Ublock Origin is enabled to block ads. Now let's go ahead and test quickly that if Ublock Origin is working fine. Let me open up any website. And here you could see that our Ublock Origin has started blocking ads perfectly. So that's it about today's quick and to the point video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITeePK, and I will see you in the next one.